Hello and welcome to LTC Metals. Recently, I was asked to take part in a project by a local coin shop to help a family who had lost all their belongings in a devastating house fire. The material you see here is some 90% US silver coins that were heavily damaged in the fire. They basically have no value as they are because you can't identify anything. You can tell a couple of them are half dollars or a couple of them are quarters, but you can't see any kind of date or anything like that. So there's no outlet for things like this to be sold. So they asked me to take part in it and refine the silver out of these damaged coins. I was happy to do it. Um, enjoy doing things like this. I hate the circumstances behind it, but it ought to be a fun project. What we'll do is we'll take all these coins. The first thing is we'll melt them and pour them into a container of cold water and pour them into granules, and then that way they can be dissolved in nitric acid, and this pure silver can be precipitated out and poured into bars to be returned to the family. First thing we're gonna do is get a weight on these damaged coins. Uh, like I say, they're 90%, so we'll be able to get an approximate yield once we get a final weight of our starting material, and we can multiply that times zero point 0.9 or 90%. That should tell us close to how much silver we can recover. We don't know how much debris or anything that's in there. So we start out with 691.1 grams. If we multiply that times 0.9 or 90%, that's going to give us around 620 grams or somewhere between 19 and 20 ounces. So follow along and we'll see how this turns out.